I remember how my wife would feed the sparrows that would come to visit us. I think of her often. I really wish I'd retired sooner. If I had stopped teaching, I could have spent more time with her.
I'll be walking all alone for a long, long time.
No need to fight. There's enough for everyone. There, don't need too fast now.
Never knew what was right. Searching for the answers, but where am I supposed to go?
And here I am talking your ear off. Somehow I feel comfortable with you, like I could tell you anything.
I understand what you're saying, old man. I should have spent more time with her as well.
Big brother!